Hey there, awesome web creators. Ever wanted to give your website a super sleek, modern look with a full-screen navigation menu? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to achieve that stunning full-screen menu using the powerful navigation menu widget in JupyterX. And if you're new here, JupyterX is an all-in-one Elementor-based WordPress theme trusted by over 200,000 users. It replaces Elementor Pro with built-in tools, includes 450-plus ready-made websites, and comes with a one-time payment instead of recurring fees. Let's get started. I've already opened my header template in a separate tab, which is where I want to set up my full-screen menu. Next, add or select the navigation menu widget that you want to display in full screen. Expand this settings section. In the navigation menu widget, the breakpoint setting determines the display width at which the menu switches from showing a list of items to using an open function, like a hamburger menu. By setting the breakpoint to desktop, you can make your navigation menu appear in hamburger menu mode on all devices. In this widget, the current breakpoint is set to tablet. Now, let's switch back to desktop view and change the breakpoint to desktop. From the breakpoint dropdown, select desktop and laptop. Then, open the menu layout dropdown and select full screen to activate the full screen display for our navigation menu. Now, let's check out the result. With everything set, it's time to publish and see the results in action. Here's our full screen menu. And there you have it. You've successfully created a fantastic full screen navigation menu using JupyterX. We covered all the essential steps to configure the navigation menu widget and bring that modern touch to your site. Hopefully this helps you create even more beautiful and user-friendly websites. Thanks for watching and happy designing!